Hey tubes. I just picked up these 2 lawnmowers for free or posted on social media. Apparently it's trash day in this area too. They had these out at the curb with some other stuff. We got a Murray 300E series Briggs. Primer is still good. This deck looks pretty bad. I probably have another deck I could put this engine on. Plus this is just side discharge. And the other one is a Bolens. Go over here. I'm not going to do anything with it. I just got it tonight. This is a Briggs Classic. Oh, primerable's bad. And I may actually have a bag for this one. But I don't know. I'll get into these later. Later, tubes.